The Embraer Phenom 300 is a light jet aircraft developed by the Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer. It can carry 7 to 9 occupants with a flying range of 3,650 kilometers. Embraer began designing the Phenom 300 after finding that potential customers of the Phenom 100 would also like a bigger aircraft. It was a new design with the aim of allowing operation to smaller airports. The enclosed cabin has room for 9 passengers and 2 crew pilot. During single pilot operation, an additional passenger can be carried. Access to the flight deck and cabin is using an airstair on the left-hand side behind. The Phenom 300 is a twin-engined cantilever monoplane with a low-position swept wing. It has a horizontal stabilizer in a T-tail configuration and a retractable tricycle landing gear.